There is a misconception that you cannot wet clean viscose, and I'm going to prove that wrong. Here's 100% viscose face fiber and 92% viscose overall with about 8% poly. We'll put a little wine on it. This part here is protected. The side over here was not protected, but that's not how we spill wine in Boston. This is how we spill wine in Boston. When we spill it, we spill it. So let's get this all drenched in. You're going to be able to see a line where the protection stops. And here we are. We're going to blot it up a little bit with a white towel. You should always blot, never scrub. This is kind of a big spill, so we're going to be blotting quite a bit. There's the first look at it. You can see on the right-hand side, the wine is just soaked in, completely changed the color of the fabric. On the left-hand side, it looks like almost nothing happened at all. We'll just try to clean up a little of the center dots here. Let me get this towel under there. Let's get a little bit of spot cleaner on it and just see if we can spot clean it, make it a little bit better. So this is all without spot cleaner. Now this is with just a little bit of spot cleaner. You don't even notice the wine there. Now let's actually start to possibly rinse some of this out. Here's some more spot cleaner. So we're just blotting it up. You can see it coming out right there. That little line in the middle is where we stopped the protecting, and it kind of migrated over. Now we really want to wet this fabric down just to prove that you can actually wet clean it. You will not wreck it as long as you're using the proper cationic solutions. There it is, sucking out some of the wine that's caught into the fabric. There's the part where it's protected. You see it's gone. They were throwing a ton of water on it. Just want to show you, never use this much in cleaning a chair, but we wanted to show you that the water is not going to affect the fabric as most people believe, as long as you have the right spotting agents on it. The wine is all off the section that is protected. The right hand side, you can see that's going to be pretty much a permanent stain. So please remember, get your fabrics protected by New Dimension. We're in the Boston and New England area. Hopefully we'll be coming to an area near yours. And there's protected, not protected right there, and it's definitely worth the money. Remember, New Dimension, cleaning and protection.